you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be if I leave tonight?
Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as you can see on the title, I will be reviewing and also showing you a very cute shoe that is going to be super popular and trendy for summer and also spring. And it is a look for less of the Mach Mach shoe. If you're interested in any of the items that I'll be showing you, be sure to check out the description box down below. I hope you enjoyed this video, and let me show you guys the shoes that I found. This is the perfect look for less Mach Mach. Those shoes, they retail for $995. I wanted to get a pair. It's only, I think there's a few websites that have them, but you have to pre-order them and you pay half, and then when the shoe is ready to be delivered, you pay another half. I mean, those shoes are gorgeous, as you guys have seen them on Instagram or YouTube. I'm sure you guys have seen the real deal and also the look for less. I didn't want to spend $1,000 on a pair of shoes because I wasn't sure how the sizings were and all that. I mean, they say that they run true to size, the authentics, but I don't know, maybe if I love this one so much and I see myself using them a lot, then I will definitely order the real ones. But that will be down the road, because right now that we're in this new home, there's a lot of things that I need to purchase for the house, things that I need. I feel like that's more of a priority than $1,000 pair of shoes. But that's just me. But anyways, I found the look for less, and here we have it. You guys, this is gorgeous. I ordered mine in a size 7.5. I'm usually a size 7, 7.5, depending on the style. But since they are pointy toe, I felt like going a little bit of a half size. They are gorgeous. When I first put them on, Rosa was like, wow, they look so pretty. They're so comfortable too, very wide right here. The difference between the look for less and the authentic, I noticed it as I saw the picture. Well, the back, it doesn't have this part on the authentic, it's just a strap. And then also the front, the shoe is a little bit more narrow and also longer. So I mean, it looks beautiful. I seen reviews on it and I'm like, oh my god, I really love that shoe. I love the sparkle, especially the black. I think the black one is really nice. The look for less, it is for $60 on sale. Retail price, I believe it is $100, $99. But I did purchase them on sale for $59, which it was such a great deal compared to the authentic. And as you can see, you can wrap it around. I'm going to show you guys how it looks on. And then also, here we have it. Super pretty, very sparkly. And I feel like this is a shoe that you can always wear year round. Very cute and glamorous. The bow is such a statement, especially the sparkles. And I got them in black. And also, I'm going to show you the other pair that I got, which I fell in love with them. I put them on right away and I was like, wow, I have to show you guys these shoes in the sun. So here we have it. Voila! It is all full of sparkles. Here you can see a close-up. Super pretty, comfortable, and again, I got it in a size 7.5. This is how they look like. Love the shoes. So glamorous. And I'm going to be wearing them for church. I want to say day night, but honestly, I haven't had a day night in a long time, and I don't think it's going to happen anytime soon. And this is how they look like when you purchase them. I'm going to show you them on the sun because I feel like this shoe deserves a moment. It is gorgeous. This is my quick little review or unboxing / review of this shoes. The perfect look for less for the Mach Mach shoe, which is $1,000, and it's super hard to purchase that shoe because it's always sold out. I believe they have it in multiple colors. I'll link the authentic and also the look for less in the description box. Let me know in the comments down below what do you think about these shoes. Do you like them? Is this your style? I believe I have seen the sandals as well. If you want me to review the sandals, let me know. Comment down below. But yeah, you guys, these are the shoes. Beautiful. You can wear them with jeans. You can dress them up and also dress them down. very casual. You can wear some jeans and a little tank top with the shoes. Of course, the shoes are going to be the statement of your whole outfit, but they are so nice, you guys. I am obsessed with them. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick review. Let me know in the comments down below if you are planning on purchasing the authentic or the dupe of this shoe. Is it your style? Do you prefer the sandal? Let me know on the comments down below. Alright, so this is how the shoes look. Check it out. Super cute and comfortable. I'm going to show you right here. Oh my goodness, my mirror is super dirty. So okay, I'm trying to find a place that is not dirty, but it's almost impossible. Alright, so this is how they look, you guys. Super pretty and comfortable. I feel like the quality is amazing. Amazing. And they're not too high, so I feel like I'm going to tolerate them. And also, they are comfortable on the toes.
Just stay with me now till the morning light for you.
Okay, so here I have the sparkly ones. They kind of look white inside, but we're gonna go in the sun and I'm gonna show you how they look. Wow, they are fabulous, you guys. Fabulous. The quality is super nice. The rhinestones, you do get extras, so in case any of them fall. But they look pretty legit. They look like they're not gonna fall. Let me just do a close-up. You have it. I got mine in a size 7.5. My feet is a little wide. It's not as thin, but they are comfortable. Okay, here's a little glance in the sun. Ooh la la. This is gorgeous. You have to see it in person. They are so beautiful. I'm gonna step into the sun so that you can see my shoes. Oh my goodness. They are gorgeous. Very Cinderella. You guys, if you do purchase these shoes, you will not regret it. I'll leave them in the description box down below. They are super cute, and for the price, you cannot beat that. Okay, so here we have the black ones in the sun. Super gorgeous. The sparkle is just insane. My husband just came out and he's like, wow, those are pretty. He never really compliments my shoes like that, but they are really pretty and they're comfortable too. My overall thoughts, you guys, is that the quality is really nice, affordable when it comes to their prices, and very stylish. You're gonna be on trend. I'm sure so many people are gonna stop me and say, where are your shoes from? If you are interested in my shoes, be sure to check out the description box. I'll leave a link down below. You guys, I highly recommend them. Look at that. This is in the sun, and now I'm gonna show you how they look in the shade. This is in the shade. Sun. Ooh, super sparkly. If I can recommend one pair out of the two that I showed you, I would probably say the black ones, just because the other pair, they're more flashy. But if you are into a statement shoe, then definitely go with the other one. These are more comfortable because they are kind of like suede. I want to say it's like a suede material, so they are going to be able to mold to your feet a lot better than the other ones. I will see you guys on my next one.